Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this face cream which I had made 1 month earlier and have used on my face to reduce dark spots and pigmentation, and this has worked very wonderfully on me. So if you want to know, please continue watching. The ingredient list is very simple. First is the aloe vera gel, which contains antioxidants and enzymes, vitamin A and C. It can treat acne and dry skin. It also has moisturizing properties. The next ingredient would be glycerin, which is a humectant, and it is also a moisturizing agent which pulls water into the outer layer of your skin from the air. So this glycerin is widely used in all face creams. Next is the vitamin E oil, which moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It also reduces hyperpigmentation. If you don't have, you can purchase it in the pharmacy stores. The next and final ingredient is this wonderful oil, which is the marigold and orange oil, which contains vitamin C. It is an antioxidant oil which I had made at home. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. It reduces melanin, and also it's a very good oil for all your skin creams. So these are the ingredients which I'm going to use. So the method would be to take 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel of your choice. If you are using fresh aloe vera gel, then this cream can be used for at least 2 to 3 days only. I am using aloe vera gel which is store bought. So the next ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of glycerin, then 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil, and 5 to 6 drops of vitamin C oil which is homemade. So I'll leave the link in the description box. So after adding all these ingredients, you need to give it a good mix. As soon as you mix, it forms into a thick cream like consistency. You can see how it is turning out into a beautiful and a wonderful cream, and your cream will be ready. So this cream can be applied on your face in the morning or in the night. So when you are using it in the morning, please apply sunscreen also. So in the night, after you cleanse your face, you can use this daily. So this cream can be stored for at least 1 month at room temperature. You can transfer it into your container, keep it tightly closed and in a cool place, and you can store it at least for 1 month. So this is how the cream turns out. It is suitable for all skin types. Please try this wonderful cream and see the difference it makes to your skin. It reduces dark spots, pigmentation, and also it reduces acne. So if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this, please share this video and comment for more such videos. Thanks for watching.